Hello children, this video is an illustration of the words which you have come across for the first time while reading the chapter The Skeletal System. I will show the pictures of different organs or different human body parts which are new to you. Let's begin with skeleton. The framework of bones present in human body is known as skeleton. And how many bones are there in our human body? 206 in an adult. But in a newborn baby, it is 300. Then there are 300 bones in a newborn baby, and they fuse together and become 206 bones in an adult. Here you can see the skeletal system, which supports the framework of bones in our body. And its functions are, as you can see here, it provides structural support to the entire body. That's why we can stand straight, because we have a proper skeletal system. It protects organs like heart, brain, eyes, ears, all delicate organs. It helps in movement of different parts of body. That's why you can bend, you can twist, you can run. And the bones of the skeleton, they have minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Bones are made up of calcium and phosphorus, as you can see here. That's why the bones are so hard and strong. And we need to drink milk, 2 glasses of milk every day, to give proper nutrients to our body. Now here we see long bones. Long bones, they have bone marrow inside them. It's a soft jelly-like substance, and it produces red blood cells. These bones are of different types. They have different shape. Like as you can see here, long bones. These are found in thigh bones, legs, arms. Short bones are found in wrist, ankles, hands and feet. Flat bones are found in skull and hip. Irregular bones are found in lower jaw and spine. The smallest bone is present in our ear, and it is known as stapes. S-T-A-P-E-S. Some important components of our skeletal system are skull, backbone, ribcage, limbs, and girdles. Let's begin with skull. It is the bony structure of the head that surrounds the brain and gives the head its shape. It is made up of 22 bones. The round hollow case called cranium holds the brain, and it is made up of 8 bones. In face we have 14 bones, so total 14 plus 8, 22 bones in the skull. Now let's go through its functions. Skull covers and protects the brain, gives shape to the face, supports the teeth present in upper and lower jaw. Point to be noted, all the bones of the skull are fixed and immovable except the lower jaw. You can move the lower jaw, children. Then comes backbone. Our skull is attached to this backbone. The backbone is a long bony structure and definitely provides support to the body. That's why we can stand straight with the help of this backbone, as you can see here. It is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. Each bone is known as vertebra of this backbone, and 33 small bones, they are called together as vertebrae. These small bones form a strong vertebral column, and it protects the delicate spinal cord which passes through this vertebral column. This is also known as spine. Its functions are: it protects the spinal cord present inside the hollow vertebral column, provides support to our body, helps us to stand upright, bend, and sit. Next is rib cage, present in the chest region, and it is an arrangement of bones consist of 24 ribs, two sets of 12 ribs, as you can see here. And these 24 ribs are attached to a long and flat bone in the center of the chest, known as sternum. The first 10 pairs of ribs are attached to the sternum, but the last two pairs are not attached to the sternum, so they are called floating ribs. Then comes limbs. Human beings have 4 limbs. One pair of 4 limbs called arms, and one pair of hind limbs called legs. 4 limbs means upper limbs. Each arm consists of one upper arm bone called humerus and 2 lower arm bones. The palm of each hand is made up of 5 bones. There are 8 bones in the wrist, and 14 bones make up the fingers of a hand. Now we see here hind limbs, means lower limbs. Each leg has one thigh bone called femur, and it is the longest and strongest bone in our body, children. Then one kneecap, 2 other bones, one of which is called a shin bone. And the shin bone is the larger and stronger of the 2 bones which connects the knee with the ankle bones. There are 7 bones in each ankle and 19 bones in each foot. That means each leg has 26 bones. One more important part of the skeletal system is girdle. There are 2 girdles in our body, shoulder girdle and hip girdle. Shoulder girdles joins upper limbs to the spine, and hip girdle joins the spine to the lower limbs.